Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then go to security and lock screen, scroll down and tap on encryption and credentials. Here, if you will tap on clear credentials, you will perform the action that you wanted. You just have to confirm it because this operation cannot be undone, so if you truly want to remove all contents, just tap on OK. And that's it. Everything went well, thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.